Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to look up a kids catalog in the Kitchigami Regional Library System. So, much like, just like our regular books, we're going to come over, press the Catalogs tab, and then we're going to come up here where it says Kids, and click on this. This is going to change the color of the background to this nice green to let you know you're currently searching for kids. And as we scroll down, we can actually see different catalogs. Now we have these broken down slightly different, a little more thematic, as well as with kid-friendly images so that they can understand and help choose what they want to look up. So let's look up some spooky things. And here we go. And now here in the spooky things category, we can even further refine it down to how we wish. So let's look up something supernatural. So here we have 1,079 results. Now we do have the search limits on the side here to the limit to showing just what's currently on the shelves, what library it's at, who the author is, the material, the collection, and even the subject type. Now each page is only going to show 12 different ones. So let's just jump to a random page. As we look around, we can see some interesting stuff. Now, for supernatural, let's look up this one about werewolves. As we click and open this, we can actually see the format is going to be a digital ebook. You're not going to be able to find this in the library, but you are going to be able to find it through the Hoopla extension of the Kitchigami app. So let's say we want to find something that's currently just going to be in the Bemidji Public Library. So we can come over here, select Bemidji, hit include, and that's going to narrow it down to 70 results. So as I scroll down, let's just jump to another random page. So as we scroll down, we can see what items are available at the Bemidji Public Library. So let's look at Lord Servants. Right here, it's like on this page, we can request to place the hold, or even text the information to you if you want. And that's going to include the title, the author, as well as the location in the library. Now, we currently have one available and there's no holds. We would be able to place a hold on this for our account. All the books in our kids section are going to be juvenile as well as our easy board selections. This is a neat little feature we have here at the Kitchigami Regional Library System for kids to find things that they're interested in and a format that's easy for them to navigate.